Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
To fix the instruction at hexadecimal 0x00000000 referenced memory at hexadecimal 0x00000000 error. Start by updating your drivers and Windows OS to ensure compatibility and patch known bugs. Run a system file checker. SFC scan now in command prompt to repair corrupted system files. If the issue persists, scan your system for malware, as malicious software can often cause such errors. Lastly, consider restoring your system to an earlier point or reinstalling the application causing the error if the problem is isolated to it.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.